In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stop Adobe Acrobat from opening PDFs automatically. If your PDFs keep launching in Acrobat every time you double-click them and you'd rather use your web browser or another viewer, we'll fix that by changing the default app for PDF files in Windows. This takes just a minute and you can always switch back later. First, we'll open the place where Windows manages default apps. Click the Start button, then open Settings. In the Settings window, choose Apps, and then select Default Apps. This is where Windows decides which program opens each file type, like photos, music, and of course, PDFs. Next, we'll update the default for PDFs. In Default Apps, scroll down until you see an option called Choose Defaults by File Type. Click that. You'll see a long alphabetical list of file extensions. We're looking for .pdf. Scrolling is fine, but if you see a search box at the top, typing .pdf can get you there faster. Once you've found .pdf, look at the app listed next to it. If PDFs are opening in Acrobat, it will likely say Adobe Acrobat. Click that app name. Windows will show a list of available programs that can open PDF files. Choose the one you prefer, such as Microsoft Edge, Google Chrome, or another PDF viewer you've installed. If Windows asks you to confirm the change, go ahead and confirm. That's it. Your PDFs will now open in the app you selected instead of Acrobat. To verify it worked, close Settings, find any PDF on your computer, and double-click it. It should launch in your new default app automatically. If it still opens in Acrobat, repeat the steps and make sure your choice is saved. Sometimes installing a new app afterwards can reset defaults, so it's worth double-checking. A couple of quick tips. Changing the default here doesn't uninstall Acrobat, it just changes what opens when you double-click a PDF. You can always open a specific file in Acrobat when you need advanced features by right-clicking the file and choosing Open With, then selecting Acrobat for that one time. And if you decide later you want Acrobat back as the default, return to the same .pdf entry and pick Adobe Acrobat again. With that simple change, you have full control over where your PDFs open, whether that's a faster browser viewer for quick reading or a lightweight alternative for everyday use. Thanks for watching, and enjoy a smoother, faster PDF experience.